Hey, this is my epic cat. It's my cat. Somehow it loves my foot so much that it just bites it. Bites it and hugs it and won't let go of it. And then it cuddles with it sometimes. It's kind of odd. Very old. Odd. Yes, it is. Wah! So violent. Ho 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 ho.